Okay, I just got this duvet cover set. This is the queen size. It's 90 by 90 and it came with 2 pillowcases, and I'm very, very happy with it. Let me turn this over. So first of all, you have the care instructions. Machine wash cold separately and gentle, no bleach, tumble dry with no heat, cool iron if needed. This is polyester, but it feels very nice. It doesn't feel like cheap polyester that'll pill up or anything like that. So let me try and get back here where you can see it. The lighting in my bedroom isn't all that wonderful, but this will give you an idea. Now I have this on a down comforter or a down duvet, and it just zips closed. I have it unzipped right now because I can't do it with 2 hands in video at the same time. And the way that you attach it to the duvet is if your duvet already has these tabs, which mine does, then inside the duvet cover in the corners are these tabs, these ties right here. And all you do is you just tie them around the corner tab on your duvet. You can use safety pins. You can, if your duvet or your comforter doesn't have these, you can sew them on fairly easily. If you're using a down comforter that doesn't have these tabs and you want to use safety pins, or you want to sew your own tabs on there, make sure you do not sew into the part that has the feathers, or the down will come out. If there's a hole, it will come out. So if you add your own, then only sew it onto the edging here where it's separated and there's no feathers. You can see where this is sewed. No feathers right there. It's in the edging. So just a warning, because if you're working with down, the down will find its way out. And so I will come over to this corner and show you what it looks like when it's tied in. And I apologize for the movement, because again, I'm doing this just one-handed, but I think you will get the idea. So this corner is tied in already. Let's see if I can get it out. Here it is. So this is the corner of the duvet right here. And you can see that the ties from the duvet cover, I apologize, there's the corner of the duvet cover. This is the comforter or the duvet. And the ties are just tied right around the tab, and that holds it nice and secure so the comforter or the duvet does not slide around inside of the duvet cover, which if you toss and turn a lot at night, that's bound to happen unless you have your duvet or your comforter secured inside of the cover. It came with these 2. My set came with pillow cushion or pillowcases, and they're nice. And I don't have it on my pillow yet, but they come in different on each side. And the pillowcases are nice. They have a piping around it. These are not a sham. The sham have the border around it. These are pillowcases, not the sham. But these do have a nice piping there. And as you can see, you can get, the sides can be different. This one has the greenish brownish side, or if I turn it over, I can choose the yellow magenta purplish side. I like this side better than the other side, personally. So there we go. It's a great set, and I highly recommend it. So it's very pretty, it's very colorful and bright, so if color's your thing, this will be very good for you. Hope you enjoyed this review.